Sometimes the only thing that you need is to be pushed by someone. It's like a game, but with each day, day by day, this game becomes more and more serious. Don't wait for the next month to start, don't wait till New Year's. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Raminta Chik. In today's video, I'll be telling you about 30 Days Idea Challenge inspired by John Williams. A few months ago, I read an interesting article in Psychologist magazine called 30 Days Idea Challenge. John Williams is a published author, and one of his books is called Screw Work, Break Free. I truly liked the idea behind that article, and I just thought I could share this with you and spread the message wider. Nowadays, many people are saying if you don't think your job is enjoyable, you should quit and stuff like that, but in reality it's much harder to achieve it, especially because you have bills to pay. Basically, this 30 Days Idea Challenge is all about finding a great idea that you truly believe in, and even if you have a job right now, you don't have to quit. No, definitely not. You just have to dedicate all your free time, or most of it, to develop that idea you truly believe in. Once you have dedicated some of your free time to develop that idea, you can build it up into a small business. You could create a website, you could create logos, you can build content little by little, step by step, and each day work on it. And truly believe in yourself and in that idea. Put as much effort as you can for that 30 days. And later on, after 30 days, you can see, does this idea have a potential to grow into actual business, or was it just a waste of time? If it was a waste of time, you can start anew. You can start again with a new idea you truly believe in for the next 30 days. Even though your idea sounds not that realistic, you could still give it a go, give it a try, and you have nothing to lose except your time and efforts. Even if this 30 Days Idea Challenge doesn't work for you, at least you did something in your free time what you enjoyed. So it's still better than do nothing. Taking action is the most important thing when you are working on that idea. It shouldn't be just thinking about title for your website 1 month long. Chances are, if you are really passionate about that idea, that during that month you will reach something really great, something you didn't even expect it to. What I truly like about this idea that you don't have to take big risks for it. You can just stay in your ordinary job and live your ordinary life, but use your free time effectively so that you could build up something new and to develop your passion into something else. In order to find a killer idea, you have to brainstorm all sorts of things, thinking about your talents, thinking about what you would love to do but you are unable to do right now, and you could develop some really possible options for you and then decide which one you're gonna choose first. 30 Days Idea Challenge is nearly like a game. You are just playing with that idea, putting a lot of energy, a lot of efforts into it, and it is growing, it's expanding, and it might expand into a small business. Your idea could be something you have always wanted to do. You have always dreamt to do, but you thought you don't have time for it, or you don't have money for it, or you didn't trust that you could do it because you have to quit your job to start doing it. But actually, even if you have a full-time job, you could still find some free time and use it accordingly, and to use it little by little on a daily basis. Let's say you don't have a lot of free time, but you could still dedicate, for example, half an hour each day for a whole month to develop that idea, to put action into it and not only dream about it. I like this idea because it didn't cost money. It requires you to think what your passions are, and it makes you feel good because it feels like you are playing, but actually with each day, day by day, this game becomes more and more serious. and you are more and more energetic and passionate about your idea, and if you truly believe in it, if you give time to develop it into some kind of action plan and you actually take some action to achieve something in that, or at least try, that's such an advantage for you, because if not now, then when? With this video, I'm trying to encourage you to start doing this 30 days idea challenge like now. Don't wait for the next month to start. Don't wait till New Year's. Just start doing something now. Sometimes the only thing that you need is to be pushed by someone. Personally, I've tried this 30 days idea challenge inspired by John Williams, and it did work well for me. I took action in the area where I always wanted to. I've created this YouTube channel as part of my 30 days idea challenge, and I've seen many people who were believing in their ideas and they created brilliant websites, and I can see true potential that they're gonna develop into small businesses or even bigger businesses. And all of this thanks to 30 days idea challenge. I hope at least some of you found this video useful and interesting, because honestly, once I first read the article and tried by myself that 30 days idea challenge, I just clearly understood that it's really great stuff. It's very easy but still very effective to find time to work on your passion that can develop into something really great. And I just wanted to spread the message wider so that more people could hear this simple strategy and perhaps reach their goals. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!